What's up, guys? Andrew the Jig here. We're gonna get out here and go fishing. The last video I posted, which you guys probably haven't seen yet, but it should be up pretty soon, was actually us fishing yesterday and the day before at this lake about a mile up the road from here, and they have another one that we're gonna fish today that's not very far from it at all. It looks pretty juicy. It's about 7 a.m. right now. We're going to try and do a couple things differently. After I was editing the video, I realized a couple things that I did wrong. But I mean, it's all a learning curve. You gotta learn. You're going to learn along the way. So I already seen a couple things that definitely going to do differently this time. But other than that, I think we're going to get this stuff unloaded and get these yaks in the water so we can get to fishing. I'll see you guys when we get that done. I'm actually out here on the water, and I know I'm not really dressed in fishing attire. I wasn't really planning on going fishing this morning, but I got done editing that video all night. It was about 6 o'clock whenever I started uploading it to YouTube in the morning, and after just seeing me rip so many lips, I had to come out here. Had to get out there, so I went ahead and loaded the shit up and we're on our way. Didn't really have much to change into being at his house, but I had a little bit. So honestly, this thing is so tiny. It's like a pond. But this one bank has structure all the way down it. It's looking pretty juicy. I say we'll get onto some, but they're probably going to be pretty dinky. Not going to lie, guys. But I'll get at you guys whenever I'm ripping some lips. Alright, guys. Still have yet to catch fish. None of that even matters. What matters is... Actually, I don't know what matters, but we're going to go down that creek. That's what matters. I'll pitch on this side. Might as well. There's a good sized log over there. But fuck that log. That's what I say. Notice whenever I throw that close to the bank, like on top of the damn bank, that I have to reel so close. Oh guys. Oh guys. New PB. New PB. Guys, this is probably, I know that one video I had a good sized bass, but this thing is 3+. That thing's fat, dude.
We'll get on to some, but they're probably gonna be pretty dinky. Not gonna lie, guys.
That is fat, bro. I could tell it was. I could tell it was a chunk of a fish, man. Whenever I hooked into it, he's just so heavy, man. Lord, here for dinks.
I think that is.
Hold it. I want you to hold it. I want you to feel how heavy that damn thing is. He didn't come off.
Yeah, dude, that's nice.
I got so excited. We gotta get a good release on him. I know he's dying to get out of here. Live his life.
Yeah, that's nice.
Shake him up.
This kind gentleman over here who just caught like a 3.5 to 4 pound bass. A nice. You're going to watch me bait up this this nice right here, and I love using it. You know that.
Caught number 2. He's a dinky. That gives me hope. Caught number 2. Up in the prime laboratory. Don't hit, boys. I missed it. Got it. He didn't get away. Yeah, little dinks, but I'll take them all day long. Not a bad one. There's like a little pocket over here. I just know there's gonna be some fish in it. It looks like frog or copperhead. Just a little itty bitty, just a little pocket. It looks kind of deep. It's not that deep. I won't be attached about it, but it still looks promising. So we're gonna cast in it. Decent cast. It's been a little close to the bank. I'm just kind of going fast. Some brush in it for the hit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a nice one. He's a dandy one. I just knew this place right here would be just quit fighting so hard. Before we fuck everything up. He's a dandy one. He's 1+ for sure. Man, these fish are not long in this lake, but they're so fat. They're so chunky. Look at that stomach. That was embarrassing. So died. Right about the point, this little guy decided he was gonna eat my jig, so I plugged it into the battery charger. I apologize for that, but it wasn't a crazy flight or anything like that, so didn't miss a whole lot, but just wanted to show him to the crowd. Side cast down the bank there. I'm probably gonna head out, guys. Didn't know it was there. In a gist, so this was the rod and reel combo I was using. It's just a cheap little Abu Garcia Black Max. It has a 6:4:1 gear ratio, 5 bearings, I'm pretty sure. The lure is, I'm pretty sure they call this a watermelon jig. Honestly, let me just get that for sure. Melon jig. Not really exactly sure. I'm pretty sure they're 3/8 aught or 3/4 aught. Then I take these baby bass Senkos. They're about 5 inches long. I cut a little bit of them off. I'm just T-rigging them on there and just tossing them out there, man. But yeah, guys, that's what I used today. This will probably be my second video. The first one's going up, so this will be in on the second one for sure. I'm glad I got to get out on the water. I had a lot of fun, caught a lot of fish. For the time that we've been here, we've only been here a couple hours. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Andrew the Jig out.